Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're absolutely welcome. But today I'm coming to you guys with my deep conditioning routine. I'm trying out this Shea Moisture Conditioner, deep conditioner, which is the Super Free Complex 10-in-1 multi-benefit hair mask. I'll also be trying out the shampoo. I'll be trying out the shampoo which is from the same line. With this deep conditioner, I'll be adding my protein, what's it called? I can't remember what it's called. I'm just gonna get it. Yeah. I'll be adding it with the ORS hair mayonnaise conditioner. I have used this quite a bit. I only have a little bit left. So to be honest, I love the way this makes my hair feel. Especially, I'll be using it today, especially because I know my hair needs some protein. So yeah, I'll be adding some of this, and I will also add some castor oil. This I was actually trying out, and I love it. I love it. This is the castor oil from ORS as well. I'm going to wash this really dirty hair because my scalp is very dirty right now. So I'm going to wash this and I'll be right back. I wanna forget you. So this is my hair straight from the shower. I wanna forget you. I like to apply my deep conditioner in sections. So right now my hair is in 4 sections from the shower, and so basically I like to make sure that every strand is coated, sort of, but I make sure that my ends are concentrated on. So I make sure that my ends are coated in deep conditioner. Once I am done, so basically I section it into smaller sections to coat it, and then I twist it up. Once I'm done, I take the other half and I twist that up. Well, I coat it in conditioner and I twist that up as well. I then join both twists together just to keep it away. Notice that when I'm done with the twist, I apply some more conditioner to the perimeter of that section, so closer to the roots, and then I tuck it away and continue with the other sections. So I divide that section into 2, coat it with conditioner and twist it up. I like to apply heat to my deep conditioners, so today I'll be using body heat, which means I'm going to put my shower cap on, no, deep conditioning cap, and shower cap and some scarves and my bonnet just to get some heat. I just came back from rinsing off the rinsing off the deep conditioner, so my hair's still pretty wet, even though I've been out of the shower since about, I don't know, it's been about 2 hours now. I'm going to start from the back. I'm just going to unravel it. Still really, really wet. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. While I was in the shower, I did put the castor oil, the ORS castor oil, and then rinse that off a little bit because I still want, basically I put the oil to lock in the moisture from the deep conditioner, to lock in all that moisture so everything doesn't go out while I rinse off. And after I put the oil, I rinsed off the excess oil. that makes sense. I am going to use this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. I'm going to use this as my leave-in. This is, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put a picture. Yeah, can you? Yeah, this is it. This is the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. What I do from here is I just style my hair anyhow I like. My hair feels very moisturized and soft, and that's what I'm looking for. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Too late to erase the